Welcome. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So, with about 15 minutes to go before the open of US markets, today being 2022, February 22nd, 2022. Let me repeat that because it's a fun date today. 2022. As I said, markets have yet to open here. Today is a Tuesday. Yesterday was a Monday and the US markets were closed. But I want to discuss why I think it is a good practice to look around the world to get a sense of how things are shaping up or where the possibilities and the probabilities lie. So in this video, I'm going to go and show you where the Nifty. So you might think that markets are not related, but you can get a sense. For example, we can watch the Nifty closed on Friday with the RSI at 51, give or take. And we can see that in itself is a sign that a couple of things can happen here. Is if we end up this week, if we are down below 50 for this week, the odds are increased that we get a down week and closing towards the lows of the week if this is where the RSI stays below 50. And we can also see that this is an area to watch for potential gains and the market eventually holding 50 on the weekly, and we start building as we are now forming a new base. This base formation here where we've been sideways for a while going back to October. So we can get either a bounce around RSI 50 or a break. But for the purpose of swing trading, for those of you who swing trade, watch this RSI 50 level if you so desire, or maybe you can use it as a learning experience, because as of this moment, after 2 trading sessions, the Nifty for the week is down below RSI 50, trading at 48.49 on the weekly RSI. Because it's a weekly time frame, we can anticipate the more the RSI stays below 50, the more we are looking at the probability of closing towards the weekly session lows, the lows for the week, as long as the RSI is below 50. And it generally means an expanded move to the downside whenever you're moving below 50. The other scenario, as I mentioned, is this is where we find support and the RSI holds this RSI 50 level for a potential possibility of stability around here. Now, for more information about this RSI 50 crossing, take a look. There are going to be links in the description of this video for more information. So again, for the week, I personally am watching the Nifty and a few other charts to determine the odds for the continuation of this recent pullback in world markets. And watching that RSI 50 for the instruments I am watching is going to give me a sense on how to approach this week's action. For more information, links are going to be in the description of this video. And so it is. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you as I found you, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.